Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, you all know my name, Teacher Aman, and it's our fourth lecture. And now today we are starting the new topic, that is area and perimeter. This topic you have done in class 4 also. Have you done? Please raise your hand if you know it. Know about it. Please raise your hand. Very good. Some of you are knowing it, and some of you are not raising your hand. So maybe it is new for you. So we are going to do it again in detail. So reference countdown, I hope you all are having pen pencil in hand, in your hand, a rough notebook and your book. Please keep your book and pen pencil with you whenever we are having maths class, because maths cannot be done without writing. So whatever I am telling you, I just want to see you writing, or you can do practice whenever we are doing the questions on slides. So you must do it on your notebook, so that if that's why if somebody is having problem, the problem is that whenever I'm telling you, you must do the practice, you do it by your hand, so that you come to know that this is the way we are doing it, and this is the way we have to do it always on our notebook. So that will be easier for you. Now coming to the next slide, and that is perimeter. So today we are going to start the topic, that is perimeter. Children, whenever you have to make boundary of anything, whenever you have to fence anything, fencing means you put some hurdle, you put some boundary around your area. That is known as fencing. So whenever you are doing it, what you do, you have to measure all four sides of the shape. You have to measure all four sides of the shape. For example, if I'm taking this register in front in my hand, so if I want to know the perimeter of the register, the boundary of the register, what I will do, I am going to measure all its four sides. I will be going to measure all its four sides, and after measuring all its four sides, I am going to add those four sides simply, and I will get the perimeter. So perimeter क्या होता है? Perimeter is the boundary of anything. It could be rectangular, it could be triangular, it could be square, it could be any simple symmetrical shape. And keep in mind that all perimeter is always measured in single unit. जैसे आप एरिया फाइंड करते हैं तो यू राइट सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, मीटर स्क्वायर. सो वी डू नॉट राइट एनी स्क्वायर वेन एवर वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट द perimeter. Why? Because perimeter is single unit. Perimeter is single unit. Single unit means we are only adding it, centimeter plus centimeter plus centimeter, and it is giving you always centimeter. So perimeter is measured in single unit. And what is perimeter? Perimeter is the measurement of boundary. Measurement of boundary. Say it after me. What is perimeter? Perimeter is always measurement of boundary. Whenever you are finding out boundary of anything, इसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है slide में? When your family puts up a new fence around your home और अराउंड योर गार्डन और अराउंड योर लॉन, जब आप वो फेंस लगाते हैं तो आप क्या करते हैं, आप चारों तरफ मेजरमेंट कर लेते हैं कि अच्छा भाई, वन साइड लेंथ इज दिस, अदर साइड लेंथ इज दिस, अदर साइड लेंथ इज दिस, अदर साइड लेंथ इज दिस. एंड इन दिस वे जितनी भी साइड्स हैं, आप क्या करते हैं, उन सबको ऐड कर लेते हैं, एंड यू फाइंड देम the length, and then you put the boundary. So perimeter is the boundary of any shape. I just want to see pencils and pens in your hands so that you can do it. Okay, again, a definition of perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a figure. For a figure with straight sides, the perimeter is sum of length of sides. That is what I was telling you, that you are going to measure all the lengths of the sides, and you will, I was giving you the example of this register, that this register will be like you are going to add all of its four sides, and you will get the perimeter. If I'm talking about the room I am sitting, I am going to measure all four sides of my room, your room, and you will get the perimeter of your area, wherever you are sitting, perimeter of the shape wherever you are sitting. Perimeter is measured in linear units, that is single units, such as feet, kilometer, meter, inches, etc. So it is always mixed. We are not going to touch the definition of area right now. We are just going to touch the area definition of perimeter. Now the next slide is that again perimeter of a figure is distance all around the figure. Here you can see the figure. Can you see the figure? What is the shape? Shape is, what is the shape? I want to say you see. Yes, what is the shape? Shape is rectangle. Okay, shape is rectangle. So they are just giving you example that rectangle is having all four sides, opposite sides equal. This bigger side is equal, that is this is 9 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. So rectangle is having all opposite sides equal. So after if you are going to add all these four sides, you will get the area of, perimeter of rectangle. This is how we keep on doing it. Are you getting my point, beta? आपको समझ आ रही है पेरीमीटर क्या है? पेरीमीटर इज बाउंड्री ऑफ एनीथिंग. इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग आउट बाउंड्री ऑफ पेरीमीटर, बाउंड्री ऑफ एनी शेप, दैट इज पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर इज बाउंड्री ऑफ एनी शेप. एनी शेप इज, यू कैन से के boundary is perimeter. Now okay, so if you will add all these sides, 9 plus 5 plus 9 and then plus 5, what will be the answer? पहले तो मुझे ये बताएं. 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5. Add all these four sides और जल्दी से मुझे आंसर बताएं. Quick. क्विक क्विक क्विक, जल्दी से आंसर बताएं. पेज पे लिखा हुआ दिखाएं कहाँ की है वर्किंग. 9 plus 5 plus 5 plus 9. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. यस, अपने कैमरास के स्क्रीन, कैमरास के सामने अपने वो वर्किंग दिखाएं और जल्दी से मुझे ऐड करें. यू हैव 1 minute. जल्दी से दिखाएं. व्हाट इज योर आंसर? एंड राइट द यूनिट ऑल्सो. Yes, it is 28, isn't it? It is 28. Very good. So 28 centimeter is the perimeter of this shape, which has been given in the on the screen in the slide. Now, yes, you can see that we have added all four sides, 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9, and you are getting 28 centimeter. The perimeter is found by adding the length of sides together. आपने सारी sides की lengths को add कर लिया and you are getting what? You are getting perimeter. Very good, 28 centimeter. Excellent. I am happy that you are getting it. Now, next slide, let's see what is on it. All right. Now, coming to the shape perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square kya hai? A square, children, square is a figure which is having all four sides equal. All of you are knowing it. Raise your hands. You know the square is having all four sides equal. Raise your hand if you know it. You know that square is having all four sides equal. Please raise your hand. I want to see how many of you are knowing it. Very good. Excellent. So many of you are knowing. Ali Arif, I can see you. Abira Fatma, Mamoon and Memuna and Abu Zar, and so many more. I have seen that you people are very good. Raising your hands, and participants are raising their hands in the on the screen also. Very good. Excellent. So a square is a figure with four equal sides, and perimeter can be found by adding all four sides. हमने अभी rectangle का find किया था. What we did, we add all four sides and we get the area, perimeter of the rectangle. Now here we have the square. So square का area, rectangle कैसे, square का perimeter कैसे find करेंगे? Square का perimeter ऐसे फाइंड करेंगे that we are going to add all those four sides. अब आपने, you have done it so many times in class 3, in class 2, in class 1, even in class 4, that if we are repeating same length for 2 or 3 times, मैं आपको मैं बताती हूँ कि मेरा मतलब कहने का क्या है. अभी children, can you see the screen and white screen on your screens? Okay, children. I just mean that if I'm writing like this, 2 plus 2 plus 2. So how many times 2 I have written? How many times 2 I have written? Very good. 3 times. So I can write it like this. 3 times 2. Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? Vanya Gul, can I write it like this? Okay. And Memuna and Abuzar, are you getting it? Yes, say yes if you are getting it. 2 plus 2 plus 2 can be written as 3 times 2. Can you see? Okay. So this way. Another thing, let's say it is written 5 plus 5. How many times 5 I have written? How many times 5 I have written? Abuzar, you tell me how many times 5 I have written. Show it with your hands. How many times? Very good. It is 2. So you can write it like this. 2 times 5. Are you getting it? 5 plus 5 क्या होता है अबूजर? It's 10. Very good. It's 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10 and 2 multiplied by 5 is 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 again. So again, beta, you are getting it like this. Now, Amar Malik, are you getting it? Mariam, Ayan, आपको बेटे समझ आ रही है? शाबाश. So this way we are going to do it. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So this way we can write it. Now in a square, how many sides we have? Squares की कितनी sides होती हैं? Izza Ilahi, how many sides square is having? 4. Very good. Manha Imran, how many sides square is having? Very good. 4. So, and what is the property of a square? All 4 sides are equal. All 4 sides are same. So suppose if a square is having 4 centimeter length, it means 4 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 4, isn't it? All 4 sides will be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So how can we write it like? We can, how many times 4? Very good. 4 times 4. What will be the answer? 4 fours are 16. Excellent. Very good. All of you are. Bakhtavar Fatma, are you getting it? Okay. So 4 into 4 is 16. This is how you are going to find out the perimeter. So coming back to the presentation, हम slides की तरफ वापस आते हैं. चिल्ड्रन ट्राई टू मैनेज टाइम. आप लोग प्लीज उस टाइम पे एंटर हुआ करें जब हमारी मीटिंग स्टार्ट होती है. आई कीप ऑन एडिंग चिल्ड्रन व्हेन टिल द एंड ऑफ माय लेक्चर एंड दैट इज रियली disturbing sometimes. So let's come back to the slide. So we were doing it. So for it can also be found by multiplying the side length, one side length by 4. अगर हम एक साइड की लेंथ को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन द वर्किंग. अभी मैंने आपको वर्किंग में बताया. आर यू गेटिंग इट? दैट पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर इज अ फिगर विद इक्वल 4 साइड्स एंड पेरीमीटर कैन बी फाइंड आउट बाय एडिंग ऑल 4 साइड्स. अब हम इसको 4 से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज स्क्वायर इज हैविंग ऑल 4 साइड्स इक्वल. वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ऑल शेप्स लाइक दिस. द फॉर्मूला फॉर अ स्क्वायर, पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर इज perimeter P is equals to 4 multiplied by S. S क्या है? Length of one side. कोई भी हो सकती है. S can be length of one side. Any side you can say, and this way you can find out the square. Are you getting my point? Yes? Say yes if you are getting. Raise your hand if you are not getting. Yes, Manha? Is there any problem, bete? Okay. All right. Muzammil, are you getting it? Muzammil Amin, Muhammad Ali Musa, Musa Ali, Adan Ali, and one more child. You are getting my point, bete? Are you getting? Understanding? All right. So, okay, 9 participants raise their hand that they are not understanding. So we will do it again on the end. So it can also be found by multiplying the side, because a square is having one side, all sides same. So instead of adding same number 4 times, what we do, we multiply it 1 time by 4. That is 4 multiplied by, we are doing the example. आपको उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा समझ आ जाएगा. Let's do the example. So example is that I have this shape. What is the shape? It is a square. Very good. It is a square. Square is in front of you. And what is the length of one side? Length of one side क्या है? What is the length of one side of the square? Yes. 5 centimeter. Very good. So, how to find out the perimeter? Ibrahim Khan, are you getting beta? Okay. So, what is the length of one side? It is 5 centimeter. Now perimeter कैसे find करेंगे? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. All 4 sides are equal. So this is also 5. If this side is 5, it means this is also 5, this is also 5, and this is also 5. Isn't it? So adding all 4 sides will give you the perimeter. 5 plus 5 plus 5 and plus 5. What it is giving you? 20 centimeter. Or you can write it like this. How many times 5 you have written? 4 times. So 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20 centimeter. Now tell me, is this clear? Is this clear? And yes, Minahil Fatma, Mohammad Hassan, Ayan Akram, Myra, are you getting better? Are you getting? So this is how you find out the perimeter of your figure. And which figure we are finding out right now? We are finding out the perimeter of a square. So a square is having all 4 sides equal. Here you can see one side length is given 5 centimeter. You can see one side length is 5 centimeter. Now 5 will be added how many times? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, because there are 4 sides of a square and all 4 sides equal. So it means आप हमेशा याद रखिए, whenever in a question only one length is given, मैं आपसे कहूंगी find out the perimeter of a shape with which is having length of one side 5 centimeter. मैंने बाकी sides की length आपको given नहीं होगी. It means the shape is a square, because a square is the shape which is having all 4 sides equal. So I will give you the question like this. So you have to be clear in your mind that if somebody is asking you about finding out the perimeter and only one length is given, so keep in mind always that length, that shape is square. So it is, now I think it's clear from the example. Now let's move on. You can see the shape with the yellow color. Can you see the shape? Amna Farhat, can you see the shape, beta? Okay, yes, shape is like this. Muhammad Dawood. And now let's find the perimeter of this shape. It is not square. It is not square. Okay, but there are so many squares in the shape. Can you see so many squares in the shape? Yes, each square is equals to 1 foot. तो आपने find करना है कि how count the number of sides. You have to count the number of sides. Suppose we are starting from here. So it is 1. आपको उन्होंने ये बताया कि one side, one square is having one, each square is equals to 1 foot. Each square is having 1 foot. तो देखें, ये देखिए, अब मेरा माउस आपको नजर आ रहा है, माउस की एरो नजर आ रही है आपको स्क्रीन पे? Yes. So here you have, this is 1. Now another square, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So Perimeter is 24. What we did? We add all sides of this shape. This shape is consisting of so many squares. That's why I have shown this figure to you. Time is almost over. Let's keep on doing it. You will be having your next class after this. So this is how you have to, what you have to do, count the number of sides. So आपने ये नहीं करना कि this is one side, this is another side. No, आपने square को देखना है. Here is one square, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 and 24. So 24. 9 participants are raising their hand. If you have any question, please write it in chat quickly. आप chat में लिखें and I will be giving my email address so that you can ask your questions over there. आप मुझे वहाँ पे email कर दीजिए so I can answer you. Okay? We have done perimeter of a square. Tomorrow we are going to do perimeter of rectangle. But I am going to do these things again with you people. We are going to revise first again the square of perimeter, perimeter of square, and then we are going to do perimeter of rectangle. If you have any queries, I have shared my email address with you so that you can share your queries or whatever the problem you are having, you can tell me easily. Okay children, so this was the lecture and I hope you understood. If there is any problem, you can ask. And one thing more, that you have to tell me that how did you find it. Thank you so much.